You have unit tested this data, right?
Yes.
Where do you see this data? In the clipboard, we see in one page called as PY report content page, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you open that? So you have something called as PY report content page. Standard PY report content page. Yes. Expand this. Expand this. So your data will be available in PY summary result. PY value. Yeah. PY value. So you have this. So overall, we have to take this value now. PY report content page dot px summary result dot px grand total dot py value of 1. So that we'll get this value, number of count, this one.
Okay.
So shall we use that? In our report, in our activity, we have to define.
So we need to call the report definition first, right?
Yeah. How to call a report definition? Call space rule hyphen obj hyphen report definition dot px retrieve report data. Report definition dot. Okay, so this is an OOTB activity which will retrieve the data
Oh,
of your report definition. Okay, so now it will ask your report name. PX
okay.
retrieved report data is the activity which we are calling. Okay, call is used to call another activity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so report name, PY report name, you give the report which you have created. Name this one. Okay. So what is the report class? The same one, right? Which you have written here. Okay,
That's it.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah, PY page name not necessary. In the next column, what are we doing actually? We are calling that report definition. Now we have the count. We have the count in where? We have the count in that particular
Clipboard.
PY label, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
that PY label, yeah, that in the clipboard we have that we have to call now. So add step. So to have that count, what you need? You need one property here, right? So
Yeah.
write property set. Okay, expand this. Property name, you have to create one property. So we'll write resolved cases count. Now here, yeah. Here you write the here you have to copy that whatever you have seen in the clipboard. Yes, you copy this. What it is? What is the error? Invalid expression on the left hand side of the it cannot be a constant value. Dot resolved cases count.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
What is saying? Property the PV summary result is undefined. Summary result dot px grand total dot py value of 1. Okay, py value of 1 dot py value. That value you have to write, right? Go to clipboard. So till here it's okay, but the value is in 3. So dot py value. Py value.
Right.
Save. What's that? Px summary result is. Can you write py report content page as code pega hyphen list in pairs and classes? Yeah. Unit testing. Yeah, it's returning good. Close this. Close this and see the clipboard once. Again, where do you see this one? Run record primary page. So
It is showing
yeah, you
resolve
got.
cases count 3.
Yes, we got the output also.